Rico DUPUY, Director of Radio SOLEIL, a radio station for New York City's Haitian community, was born in Haiti, but a dictatorship forced him to flee. Today, he is a proud graduate of Brooklyn College and a skilled radio show host, hosting a daily show and a 2-hour afternoon show on Sundays. His venerable subjects have included President Bill Clinton and late South African President Nelson Mandela. Please welcome Rico DUPUY.
Good evening. Let me begin by thanking the organization for this honor. I am happy to receive this honor on the eve of our celebrating our 25th anniversary of broadcasting to the Haitian community next year. Let me say that Hurricane Matthew hit Haiti with its full force, 140 miles per hour, the day that my mother died. Normally, when natural disaster hit my country, I'm inevitably involved in the collection effort or whatever effort to help. But that time I could not because I was mourning my mother. So I made a commitment. I resolved that this year I will use whatever podium that I have outside of my regular podium, which is Radio SOLEIL, to really sensitize people to the massive needs, to the devastation that this deadly hurricane wrought on my country. Close to 1/5 of the Haitian economy just disappeared. It is that bad. So if you hear of efforts, collection efforts, please remember, it is real. People's lives have been destroyed. So please be attentive. Thank you very much.
Our next honoree is Lindy Way Kamau.